Now we have gone through the symbol also for the integration. Now we are having, suppose, now notation, we are writing dy by dx is equal to fx. Then what I told you for the integration part, we are writing then we are writing y is equal to integration of fx dx. Okay, now dy by dx is equal to fx, we are writing y is equal to integration of fx dx. Now you are very much clear about this symbol, that is for integration. Now I have drawn a table here. It is written symbols, terms and phrases. Now exactly we have gone through this symbol. Now what this represents? Okay, now number 1, we are having number 1 integration, for written as this symbol is for integration, this symbol with fx dx. Now what it means? It means now integral, number 1, it means integral of f with respect to x, with respect to x. Now this term, this whole term, what it means? It means integral of f with respect to x. Okay. Now what is fx in this whole term? What fx means? Fx in integration for fx dx, what this means? Fx is what? Fx is called integrand. This is integrand. Now x in integration for fx dx, what this x means? Now we have written first of all whole of the term. Now what fx is, that is integrand. Now what x is in this term? What x is called? Okay, so x is what? Now x is a variable. For number 3 we are having variable of integration. Variable of integration. Now remember one thing, if we are having x here, then here it will be dx. Suppose here we are having any other symbol, let it be t, and it is written with t with dx, then t will termed as a constant term. No, we are not going to integrate that term. Okay, so t can be integrated only with dt. Okay, so that I will tell you when we are going to solve the questions. Now integration for fx dx, it is called integral of f with respect to x. What fx is in this formula, it is integrand. What x is in this formula, that is variable of integration. Now what do you mean by integrate? Sometimes it is written integrate. Not what that means. Now integrate means to find the integral. Integrate means to find the integral. Now number 5, we are having an integral of f. Suppose it is written, what is the meaning for an integral of f? Now what it means? Number 5 means a function f such that f derivative x is equal to fx. An integral of f, this means a function f such that f derivative x is equal to fx. Now we have 6th number is integration. It can be written as integrate, normally it is integrate, then a question will be written, or we can integration, we are going to find the integration. Okay, so what integration means? Now integration is number 6. Now number 6 means the process of finding integrals. The process of finding integral. Okay, that is integration. Now last, we have already discussed the last thing, constant of integration. That was what? Capital C. It was what? A parameter. Okay. So for number 7 now, what number 7 represents? Constant of integration, any real number normally denoting by capital C, constant of integration, any real number capital C considered as constant of integration. Now why I am not writing in detail? Because I have already given you a definition for capital C. I have explained what C is. Okay. So these are the terms which are very much helpful, which are necessary. Anyone can ask you. Normally when you are solving the question, you are not writing all these things. Okay. But you should be knowing exactly what the meaning for these terms or phrases or symbols are.